Hey there, I'm Darren LaCroix.
And I'm Ed Tate.
Well, Darren, this is a really good audience.
She's right, and I don't know if you have this issue, but Ed and me,
Fripp that.
He said that, okay?
Ed and I have Patricia Fripp living in our head. She's said so many brilliant things that make us better. I don't know if you've had that experience, but she lives in our head, and she makes us better.
Can you believe what Darren makes me to do just to get on the program?
Yeah, truth be told, I was gonna go this year with just the champs.
What? Okay, let the lightning strike here.
But she said that you would wear the Wonder Woman costume, so I said, okay, you're back in.
Oh, okay.
Have you ever seen a mini Wonder Woman?
They have now, and she lives in our head.
Is this really our 10th year?
Wow.
Actually, that's right.
Yeah.
We've been doing this for 10 years. Lady and the Champs, this is the 10th annual Lady and the Champs. And
Plus, we did 3 years of cruise with the champs.
yeah, and that turned into the landlocked Lady and the Champs when Patricia Fripp joined the team.
How many women have a Wonder Woman cape in their closet?
I'm not even going to guess. I'm not going to touch that one.
I wouldn't ask, but I bet Ford has one.
Ooh, yeah.
We know Mark Camp has one.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
For sure.